there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my other short videos in my Downsizing series as they tackle commonly asked questions in a quick and informative way. I'm sure the idea of downsizing, especially the process, can be quite overwhelming at times. But with the right plan in place and some tried and true methods, it can be a much easier process to deal with. So today I'm going to be covering 5 techniques to make downsizing more manageable. Let's just jump right in. Technique 1. List each category in your home. Before you begin, brainstorm a list to help you consider all the categories in your home. In fact, if it's helpful, there are even books or resources you can buy that help you work through the process of categorizing your belongings. The most common error people make when beginning the downsizing process is trying to sort by room in their homes, which can leave you distracted and fragmented. The key to tackling downsizing is one bite at a time, or one category at a time. On a clean sheet of paper, write down all the categories of stuff that may currently dwell in your home. It's okay if you miss a few. You can add them as they emerge. Think of what lives in each closet, each drawer, each cupboard, and each cabinet. Just write it all down. Technique 2. Keep downsizing and sorting sessions short. This is probably one of the most important techniques because decluttering, organizing, and processing the items in your home can be quite exhausting. Try to keep your sessions to 2 hours and start with the simplest category first. This method helps to build confidence and will make you feel like, I can do this. Make sure to select a category that sets you up for success, where you can make practical decisions rather than emotional ones. Some examples of this may include cleaning supplies, linens, a junk drawer, socks, candles, or office supplies. A successful session includes a start and finish, complete with cleanup, resulting in items ready for departure to a charity, to be sold, tossed, or sent to the recycle bin. Upon completion of a category, place any and all items you're not keeping in your car or at the door for immediate departure. Technique 3. Decide where categories will dwell next. Once you have your first category, think about who may want what you won't keep, so you know who will benefit and what to do with it before it's released. Think about how many times you use it and need to keep on hand so you can have a practical guideline for yourself. Know where it is headed once you decide to let it go. This allows for completion of a category and the disappearance of what is no longer desired. Let it be of use to someone else now. Don't overthink it. Just decide and then remove it. Having a mindset of how it will serve someone else will take your focus off of what you are losing and shed light on what someone else is to gain. Technique 4. Set your tone and thoughts. Because downsizing can be quite overwhelming emotionally or mentally, it is really important to set up your environment in a way that is likely to motivate you to accomplish your goal. Try setting the mood with your favorite music, a nice candle aroma, or proper lighting. The right mindset and energy can guide you through a category with more ease, optimism, and maybe even a bit of fun. Consider also setting the pace with a timer so you don't lose track of time. Set it at 1 hour, an hour and a half, or 2 hours. This will help you feel like you're moving through it promptly and also not like it is going to last forever. Technique 5. Take it day by day and utilize family, friends, and resources. Depending on how long you've been in your home or how much stuff you've managed to accumulate, it can take a vast amount of time to tackle everything by yourself. Instead of thinking about everything that needs to get done, just take it day by day and know it will take as long as it needs to. If you find yourself unable to handle everything, then reach out to those in your sphere to see if they can personally assist you or provide resources to organizations that can help you. For instance, I work with a few companies that help manage the process of decluttering, donations, trash removal, sales of furniture, antiques, and more. If you think this is a service that may be worth investing in, then reach out to your sphere today, because you don't want to have to do it all alone. I hope you learned a lot from this episode and now have some practical techniques for how to manage the process of downsizing even just a little bit better. As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, or you yourself are considering downsizing, give me a call today and set up a consultation, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. In addition, I work with a variety of contractors who can help with things like decluttering, estate sales, paint, carpet, handyman work, moving, and more. Plus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in to next week's question: 10 pros and 10 cons to consider when downsizing. You can also check out my other series on relocation, selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.